In this video, I will show you how to make money with the Temu affiliate program. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to go ahead and head over into temu.com/affiliate_recruit.html. So in this section, you can apply as a Temu affiliate and influencer. So to be able to sign up or register, you need to go ahead and click on that sign up button, and then in here you can go ahead and sign in into your account using your Google account. So simply click on that Google icon to do that. Now after you do this will take you into your dashboard. So as you can see on your dashboard, you'll be able to find all of the things that you can earn as a Temu affiliate. So to be able to earn as a Temu affiliate, you need to go ahead and share your link to your friends on different social media platforms by clicking on this button. And then once they sign up for an account using your link, you'll be able to get a commission from that after they sign up for an account and then ordered from that specific account. So as you can see at the right side of your screen, you'll be able to find your current progress as a Temu affiliate. So to be able to withdraw your earnings, you can go ahead and click on that withdraw button at your right side. So let's close this up first and then click on that withdraw button to try withdrawing. So as you can see, you'll need to have at least 500 affiliate earnings to be able to withdraw your earnings as an affiliate on Temu. So at the left side, you can find other ways for you to earn on Temu. And once you scroll down, you'll be able to find the vouchers that you can share with your friends on different social media platforms to be able to earn on your Temu account. So basically, you can get earnings once they use your voucher as a new user on Temu, and that is how you can basically make money with the Temu affiliate program.